Shubor naga Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka jela konrad kongkel sangma mentakasngi ka khan reu trik unai weng arjar arpulai habaya keren bakilat pathai khubor halin ka jingyalang jong ka kinhon menteri ka sarkar ulaong baki benta jong ka kam ki bedai bat ka kam Khappud kene gri ka kam ka bahaban bod ye ki kindon bat don kamru ye ki jing menjor jong ki artli ki jela kata ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ban penlong ye ka jingyalang bat ye ka niru anla ban le tang de ki menteri Rangbah jong ki jela bat kan simpor kendiat namar ki katukat ni ki daw ukonrad ula ongru hadin ba ki menteri Rangbah jong ki tli ki jela ki ada banya soi ya karai jong ke jingya kendo ban penlong jingya lang an sala apat ban poi sha ki regional committee bat ru ki commission jong ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam penbut saka sarkar India Shushu konrad ula pentip ru bakan don ke jing wengno ye ki pulit pahara ki bekintop na baro tli ki jela kata jong ke Meghalaya bat ka Assam hagi Jaka Khappud kamtam hagi Jaka ki bami ki jingya kajia ha kabala antat ba jinglong jingman kan kamlong jai jai baru la ongru nakadaw ka jing don jong ki election kabala penlong ye ka kamban sateng ha kaban Leit Peit ye ki Jaka Khappud ki badon ha block 1 jong ka snong khanduli psiar Henry Mariadep ke election nakaliang kini ki menteri Rangbah jong ki jela kin shimnya karai hagaban lai jurip no iki Jaka ki badan Khappud bat iki jinglong jingman.
Yeah, basically, as you're aware, that these are decisions that have to be implemented in full. The process is to be followed. So the process requires both the states to sign the minutes of the meeting. Once the minutes of the meeting are signed by the chief ministers, only then is it taken as official. And hence, that process also requires time because these are words. Even one comma can change the meaning of the minutes. And hence, it has been done very, very much in detail. That process has been done now. Both the chief ministers have signed the minutes of the meeting. And once that is done, now the official process of communicating to the necessary different commissions will be taken and Government of India will be taken up. So it's a process, procedural aspect. It has been done. And in the minutes, there are other aspects also which we had mentioned, where we will see the withdrawal of forces from the different state governments in different areas at a substantial level, I should say. I don't want to go into details, especially in sensitive locations, which again will see that the tensions will go down substantially. And at the same time, I have been in touch with Assam Chief Minister for our pending visit to the Block 1 area, Khanduli Kasiyar area. So we expect that some elections are going on, so we had to delay our visit. But right when the elections are over, we expect that we should be visiting Khanduli Kasiyar Block 1 in one particular location. We are yet to decide on the exact location.
So, last question.
And when can we expect the regional committees to submit their...
We have told them different committees have, some have already started finalizing their reports. Once we meet on this visit of ours, we will unofficially take a call and then we will. But we have informed, if I recall correctly, 31st December was what we had put. I don't remember exactly, I don't have the papers in front of me. But we had put that in the last meeting. But we will see how the process goes, and after discussion with the respective committees, we will take a